Hey people, so we are at this place called Cream City Natural Ice Cream, and I'm about to have a jackfruit ice cream. Oh my god. And could you tell us something about these ice creams? So this is like kharbuja, mango, custard apple, all of this, and this is for just 50 bucks. So once I make the payment, I'll taste it. Cream City Natural Ice Cream, it's called. And take a look at the flavors, yeah. It's quite a range. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Easily more than 10 flavors. So this is at the JNTU metro station. And yeah, right next to this other shop that sells dry fruits and all of that. So yeah, I just can't wait to taste this ice cream. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.